Hello everyone, this is Healthy Options with Maureen. Today we'll be making some pan-fried fish. Pan-frying is actually way better than deep frying because when you deep fry food, it absorbs more oil. So a healthier version is your pan-fried fish. The good thing about this pan-fried fish is that it's crispy and golden brown on the surface and it's perfectly moist on the inside. Come with me as we make this. I know for sure you will like this. Please, if you've not subscribed, don't forget to do so by clicking on the subscribe button. Also give us a thumbs up if you do like this video and do share as well. Thank you. So to make perfect pan fried fish, we'll be needing some fish fillet. In this instance, I'm using white fish fillet, or whatsoever you have will work for you. We need some salt, of course. We need some vegetable oil, a little bit of butter for basting, and we need some black pepper. This is completely optional. So the first thing we do when making our pan fried fish is to pat dry our fish. I've actually started pat drying this because you want to have that crispy texture and you want that golden brown color by the time your fish is ready. So first thing you do is to pat dry to make sure that you don't have any moisture on the surface of your fish. So you pat dry it by tapping a paper towel in the front and the reverse surface of the fish. So I'm going to do that for all the fish, then I'll show you the next step. So before pat drying your fish, I forgot to mention that you have to place a skillet on medium heat so that it can start heating up. So I've just done that, as you can see, and I'll go back and continue seasoning the fish. So the first thing after pat drying your fish is to salt your fish. You salt just almost immediately before you start pan frying your fish. So as you can see, you apply the salt to your taste, both on the front and on the reverse side as well. You can see I already salted the fish, and now I'm going back to my skillet that has been heating up, and I'll be pouring in some of the vegetable oil to start pan frying. So the oil goes in. As you can see, the pan is already really hot. I usually try not to overcrowd the pan. You can see how much oil we have in that pan. It's not a lot at all. And that's why this process is called the pan frying phase. So you know your fish is ready to be flipped when you put a spatula beneath the fish and it's able to release itself gently and flip with it. If not, you have to leave it to keep cooking. So I'm going to turn off my heat now so that this continues cooking. Now, as you can see, you can notice some golden brown color at the base of the fish. So I'm going to try to see if I can lift it up. So you can see it goes up very easily, and that produces a gorgeous golden brown color. So I'm going to give this one a little bit of time because, as you can see, you can't get that golden brown color at the base yet, as we found out with this one. And these ones are thicker cuts. So I'm going to give these ones a bit of time and let them cook before I flip them. So what I usually do is I try to swirl the pot around to make sure that I have oil at the base of each of the fish fillet. So now that we have one part of that fish cooked, I now apply a bit of the black pepper on the cooked side. And as you can see, these ones are beginning to brown at the edges. You can see the golden brown color beneath the fish, and I'm going to try to give it a flip. You can see it lifts with ease, and you can see how gorgeous it looks. Like I say, the most important thing about frying your fish is making sure you pat dry them. Once you give it that golden brown color and you find out that you have a crispy base. So pat drying is key when it comes to cooking fish. I'm going to try to flip that too because I think it's ready. This is almost cooked, it's almost there. I'm just going to do a bit of basting with that one. Just a few knobs of butter, you can see. And I'm going to give this a quick baste. It's a very simple process. It's just collecting the oil and basting it that way. It makes the fish a lot moist and a whole lot tastier. This is perfect now, and it goes out of the pan to give the others room to finish cooking. So for this, I'm going to apply a bit of black pepper as well, and we're going to go ahead and bake them. Just a few knobs of butter like we did previously. Bend over your pot and you collect and you bake that way. That's perfect. So I'm going to continue, and I'll come back and show you how we can serve this fish. So usually I like to serve my pan-fried fish with a little bit of rice and some broccoli, but you can actually serve this with whatever you want. It could be the perfect side to any dish. I hope you give this recipe a go and let us know what your take is on it. Please, if you've not subscribed, don't forget to do so by hitting on the subscribe button. Thank you.